Hey guys, let's jump right into this repotting video. Today we are repotting basil. Now I kept it simple and I decided to try Dollar Tree or $1.25 store seeds, and this is how it went. So I planted these babies at the beginning of June and I did them in maybe like a 6-inch starter pot. And simply, I'm just going to break them up into fours so that they can have their own pot. So I just gently shake them apart. As you can see, the roots are very clean and fresh, and those babies are sprouting very well. So I am just using a regular pot I got from Dollar General for $1. I am going to grab one of the sections and we just pot it simply. Starting with some dirt here in the bottom, I just set that plant, or should I say portion, right in the middle, and then I fill the dirt around it. It's pretty simple and quick. I just grab it with my hands. I grab the dirt right with my hands. I don't use the scooper a lot of the times. I just get right in there and pack it. Now you are going to see me shake the pot, and that's just to get out any little extra air bubbles. But after that, we're just done. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any tips or tricks you have for your gardening, or if you have any questions or the next video you want to see regarding my garden.